This phone might officially destroy every budget smartphone in India. Because what if I told you there is a brand new device with a massive 7,000 milliamp battery, a 120Hz display, a Sony camera sensor, and a Snapdragon processor for the price of a budget smartwatch? Now let us talk about the confusing monster, the Moto G57 Power. At first glance, it looks like a normal mid-range phone, but the specifications are honestly unbelievable. Inside, it runs on the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 chip. In simple words, it is designed to give smooth performance in daily tasks and casual gaming without overheating or draining the battery too fast. Not flagship level, but definitely not weak. But here comes the first surprise. A battery so large, it makes other phones look nervous. 7,000 milliamp hours. To understand that scale, most mainstream phones offer between 4,500 and 5,000. This crosses power bank territory, and because a giant battery alone is not enough, Motorola added 30-watt charging so you do not spend your entire day waiting for it to refill. Then there is the display, a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, faster animations, and a much better experience in social media, gaming, and everyday use. Now, the camera system. The main camera is 50 megapixels using the Sony LYT-600 sensor. That is usually found in higher priced phones, and with an 8 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel selfie camera, the package becomes surprisingly solid for this price. And yes, Motorola did not skip durability. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The phone includes a headphone jack, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and an IP64 water and dust resistance rating. Even the software is clean. It runs Hello UI based on Android 16 with guaranteed updates. And now the part everyone is waiting for, the price. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, for just 12,999 rupees. Let me repeat that. Everything you just heard costs less than 13,000. So now the real question, is this the new king of the budget segment? Or is there a hidden compromise waiting to reveal itself? Stay tuned, because this one might rewrite the competition for months.